Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Prakash Coaching Classes. Today we are going to start a science new chapter which is acid, bases and salts. So you must have in your lifetime come around various acids, bases and salts. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about various types of acids, bases and salts and how we need to detect them and what are their properties. So let's discuss briefly about what are acids, bases and salts. Firstly, acids are the substances which have sour taste. Means the taste of the acid will be bit sour. You might have experienced the taste of a lemon. Lemon is acidic in nature. So that is the meaning of sour. Example, we can take HCl, which is hydrochloric acid. Second one, bases. Bases are the substances which have bitter taste. The taste of the base is bitter. Now again this example you can take it the example of the ENO to remove the acidity. Example we taken here is sodium hydroxide, which is chemical formula is NaOH. Next, salts. Salts are formed by the combination of acid and bases. When we combine acid and base, and salt is formed. Example, NaCl, sodium chloride, the salt which we are using in our household cooking items. Next is test to distinguish between acids and bases. Now, if a new substance is coming and a new substance is present in front of us, how we will decide whether it is an acid, base or a salt? So we need to test it. The answer is simple, we need to test it. So how to test it and what the result will say whether it is an acid, basis or salt. So we have indicators for that. Indicators are the substances which show one color when it is dipped in when it is in acidic medium or a different color in the basic medium. Now when a same substance is dipped in the acidic medium, it shows one color, and when it is dipped in the basic medium, it shows another color. So this way we are going to differentiate between acids and bases with the help of indicators. Again, there are two types of acid and bases indicators. First is indicators showing different colors in acidic and basic medium. As I told you, color is one of the parameter from which we can differentiate it. Second one is olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators that give different odor, taste, by which we can check whether the substance is acidic or basic. Now we are going to discuss the two types of indicators in bit detail. So first type of indicators is indicators showing different color in acidic and basic medium. So first there are two types of indicators in this. First is litmus paper, litmus solution. So in this we have a litmus paper which any liquid, when we put it, if it is acid it will turn blue litmus into red, and it is in base case it is just reverse, red litmus to blue. So this is a very important indicator. In day-to-day life we are using this indicator a lot. Next are synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators means those type of indicators which we are preparing in the industry or in the laboratory. Basically these are man-made indicators. So in this category we have two types of indicators, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Next category is olfactory indicators. In olfactory indicators we have three types: onion ordered, cloth strip, vanilla essence and clove oil. I have tried to limit the content to this only because in your syllabus this much information is only required. We don't require to go in much detail of this, how these indicators work. Moving on to the next topic, how do acids and bases react with metals? Reaction of acids and bases with metals gives salt plus hydrogen gas, as this is a generic equation. Acid plus metal react with salt plus hydrogen gas. Base with metal react with salt and hydrogen gas. So we will obtain salt and hydrogen gas. Now I have taken an example also to demonstrate this. Zinc react with hydrochloric acid react to give zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. In base we have NaOH, sodium hydroxide with zinc to give sodium zincate Na2ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas. Now an important point to note in bases is that all bases do not react with metals. Only specific metals do react with the bases. Now coming on to the next topic, how do metal reacts with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates with acids. So when metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates react with acid, it forms salt CO2 and S2. An example to demonstrate it, sodium carbonate is a metal carbonate when react with hydrochloric acid to give NaCl, H2 and CO2. Similarly, when sodium hydrogen carbonate react with HCl to give NaCl, H2O and CO2. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, subscribe and share the video.